How to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Messenger. Sign in to your account. Navigate to the chat page and you can easily start a conversation or you can choose from your existing one. Now tap on the three dots or I button at top right of this chat. Once you reach here, you need to scroll down. Under More Actions or simply Privacy and Support page, you will find disappearing messages. Choose disappearing messages and you need to tap on 24 hours. Now come back and here you can tap on the gallery icon at bottom left and choose the picture and then choose the edit icon. So here you can see the one dotted icon at bottom left. Select that and tap on OK and it has been turned to view once. Here after that select the send button at top right bottom right and we can see that we have successfully sent one-time view pictures on Messenger. After the view for a one time it will be disappeared. That's all for today. I hope this guide worked and if you are new to our channel hit the like button and subscribe.